Hey, I'm Ricky Pearsall, and this is my kitchen, and I'm here to share one of my favorite post-workout snacks with y'all. As a wide receiver, I focus on strength, of course, but more importantly, I need to stay lean for my speed. And inside of my diet is just as important as any workout to hit these individual goals. Today, I just finished a top-end speed as well as a lift, so now I'm following up with one of my favorite smoothies that is loaded with protein to help fuel these muscles and help boost recovery. To start my favorite smoothie, first we gotta start with the real milk. Then next we start with our coconut or vanilla Greek yogurt, whatever you have. And then lastly, for our base, we got this whey protein powder. And don't forget, it's not just about getting your protein in, it's about getting your amino acids. And I like milk because it is a natural quality source of protein and has 9 essential amino acids your body needs in order to fuel your performance, which is why I always keep a gallon in my fridge. Then I throw in my favorite fruit, frozen mango chunks, half a banana, don't make fun of me, this is how I peel it, and a little extra spinach for the nutrition. Cheers, and let the games begin.